Hi everyone, this is Sachin from HCL to Domino support team, and in this video I would show how to create an archive policy as well as corresponding setting. Talking about mail archive, three questions are commonly asked: what, why, and how. Simply speaking, mail archiving is the process of moving mails which are not needed at present to a separate storage space for later reference. To an organization, archiving offers a number of advantages like reduction in storage requirement, data loss prevention, and increased server performance. These reasons are more than compelling for an organization to consider setting up an efficient archiving solution in their infra. Moving on to how a mail archive policy can be created, let us break it into steps. Once you are inside the policy creation, you have to first create a setting. And before finishing creating a setting, you have to first create a criteria. Once the criteria is created, you have to assign that criteria to a setting. Then the setting is assigned to a policy. And finally, the policy is assigned to the corresponding user. Let's proceed to the practical demonstration. Now open the registration server in the Domino administrator. Go to People and Groups. Navigate to Policies. Click on Add Policy. Give it a name. For the sake of simplicity, I would fill only the essential fields and would keep the rest of fields as default. As we are creating an archive policy, we have to choose the setting type as archiving only. Click on New against the archiving. You can choose to perform archiving on a particular server or the local workstation. Here you can choose the source server. As we have chosen the archiving to be performed on local workstation, we have to choose the destination server as local. Next, we move on to the selection criteria. We have to now create a new criteria. Next, click on Enable Archive Criteria. Select the first option, as I want to copy all documents and then clean up database. For example, I want to archive those documents which have not been modified in 31 days for the past month. So I would specify the number of days here. The setting mentioned here, this setting is not required until and unless you want to archive by a specific view or folder. So I would not touch this setting. Next, we have to choose the destination of the archive. The default archive directory would be the archive folder, which can be located inside the data directory of Notes client. Now I would save this criteria. After the criteria has been created, we can assign this criteria to the archiving setting. Click on Add Criteria. Select the recently created criteria. Click on OK. Save and close. Your archiving criteria as well as archiving setting is ready. Now you have to assign this archiving setting here. Click against the archiving drop-down. Select the archiving setting and click on OK. Now click on Policy Assignment, which is the final step. Here you can select the user from the Domino directory to which the policy is to be assigned. Click on Save and Close. Finally, click on Ctrl Shift and F9 to update the views. Now the policy is ready to be used by the user for archiving.